Best dart cases. No matter where you play darts, there's always someone who wants to be the best. And in order to be a serious player, you need to have your own set of darts. And if you have your own set of darts, you'll need a case in which to carry those darts. I've done the research for you and found the best dart cases for carrying your darts. Keep watching to see the pics and learn what makes them the best choices a serious darts player can make. Casemaster Sentry Dart Case Slim EVA. This hardshell plastic case comes in 4 different colors: black, green, blue, and red. Up to 6 fully assembled darts can fit in the foam slots, and the slots in the middle can hold extra disassembled dart shafts, and flights. The Amazon listing photograph may be slightly deceiving, as it shows the darts and dart pieces inside the case to display its use, but darts and accessories are sold separately. Casemaster Plasma Pro. The basic gist of this dart case is the same as the Casemaster Sentry, with a few notable exceptions. There is a much wider array of colors to choose from, among which are purple, black, light blue, green, orange, pink, red, dark blue, and yellow. The functionality of the foam slots is the same, able to hold up to 6 assembled darts. And the slots in the middle can hold additional shafts, tips, and flights, just as before. But the winning element of the Plasma Pro is the additional zip pouch that can also hold your phone or other accessory. And as before, all darts are sold separately. Casemaster Legion Aluminum Dart Case. Once again, a product of the Casemaster brand, the Legion is an aluminium case unlike any of the others we found. Not only does the hard aluminium shell offer peak protection, but it carries like a briefcase. Whereas its plastic cousins could only hold 6 darts, the Legion holds up to 9 fully assembled darts, and can hold as many shafts and tips as would make 3 more darts, and up to 12 flights. There is also a larger pocket to hold extra accessories of a certain size, such as a small ring of keys or a pair of headphones. And as before, all darts are sold separately. The Legion dart case also comes with a limited 90-day limited warranty. Casemaster Classic Nylon Dart Carrying Case. One last pick from Casemaster, the Classic Nylon Dart Case offers many of the benefits of the others: the ability to hold up to 6 fully assembled darts, additional tips, and up to a whopping 15 extra flights. On its face, the Classic Nylon case may seem slightly less sturdy than the others, and that might be true to some degree, but the water-resistant material is enough to overlook the fact that the other models seem a tad stronger, and even then, only slightly. And, as before, all accessories are sold separately. Check out the links in the description box below to learn more.